Polly the parrot loved talking but never used polite words. One day, Polly couldn't find her favorite cracker. She squawked loudly. Her friend said, "Polly, try saying please." Polly did, and magic happened. A glowing cracker jar appeared with a soft sparkle. Polly said thank you, and the jar opened by itself. The kitten smiled. Polite words are like magic keys. Polly tried using polite words all day long. She said please when asking for toys. She said thank you when someone shared with her. Her friends felt happy and wanted to play with her more. The wise owl gave Polly a golden manners star. Polly said excuse me when she interrupted. Polly helped the squirrel find his lost acorn, saying you're welcome. They all played a polite words game together. Polly felt proud when her friends clapped for her manners. The cracker jar always appeared when Polly was polite. Polly taught the baby birds how to say please and thank you. The living room filled with soft magical sparkles whenever someone used polite words. Polly's friends made a banner that said politeness party. They celebrated with crackers and sunflower seeds. Polly promised to always use polite words. Polly whispered, politeness really is magical.